You got any dogs?
No.
No dogs?
No, I want a dog though.
Yeah. I actually breed puppies.
Really?
Yeah, I breed them. Yeah.
What kind?
Anything you think of? German Shepherds, Pit Bulls, Golden Receivers.
Receivers?
Don't worry, many fish in the sea gang. Folded hands.
What you say that?
Is it golden receivers?
Yeah, I do Golden Receivers. I do a lot of stuff like that. So. I'm really a dog's person. I love dogs.
I love dogs, yeah.
I feel like this is like the most beautiful animal in the world, bro.
Alright, so you're a dog person or like a cat person?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm like in the middle.
Oh.